Hey, what's up, Cardano holder? So this is the latest update, price prediction, and technical analysis, my brother. So what's the future of Cardano? Let's start this brand video. Can and June they will give you a good profit or not, my brother? But kindly before I start this video, I have one request to kindly subscribe this channel and also press the bell icon for videos notification. So my brother, first of all, if you can see here, the last 24-hour chart is on the screen, and after a very long time, as you can see here, this time they starting moving upward now. So it's a good news for all of you, my brother. 0.37% they moving upward just only in the last 1 hour. So if we can see here, the last 1 hour update towards going on this time, my brother, in the morning there is not big update available about Cardano. Especially I already check out the Twitter, Instagram, so therefore and a Google also, my brother, so I cannot see. But this time you can see here, I'm going to see you the chart, the change occur. You can see here plus 2.18%. the price will increase now just only in the last 1 hour. So I think it's a very good news, and this time you can see here the Cardano is completely moving upward. So this is the latest update, my brother. You can see here the price is 1.75 USD dollar. This is the latest update. If we check, if we predicate this coin, my brother, then absolutely we understand to upcoming time there is chance to the moving upward or not, my brother. So my brother, if you know, in the May month, especially in the last month, my friend, this coin is completely falls down. Not just unique, this all crypto market is very badly falls down. But after that, as you can see here, this time my friends, from May 30, you can see here the starting upward. June 1, June 2, and June 3, and June 4 is also, my brother. So they completely go in the moon. You can see this time they take a short fail, but definitely after this you can see they take a very huge jump. So you need, absolutely, you see, my brother, the last 1 hour chart, so it's gonna be positive. So you need to hold, my brother. Yes, this is my technical analysis, my friend. After my technical analysis, I am 100% sure to in upcoming time they will move upward. So you need to hold, and if you have any plan to invest more, then exactly this is very good time for you, my brother. Hold it, invest more, and please wait for a good time. I hope the price will be double now just in only in upcoming time. So kindly hold it. Thanks for watching. Please like this video and subscribe this channel for more this type of informative videos.